Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to download UFE 5 on Android. If you want to download this app, this football app, and you don't know how to do it, or it's not available on your Play Store, I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways you can be able to download this app. So let's dive right into the video. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. On my Play Store here, or you can go ahead on your Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. You can go ahead and search for UFE UFC 5. So as you can see here, there is the game. Okay, here is the game. So in order for you to download it, you can go ahead and click on install. But if it's not available on your own device on Play Store, you can still go ahead and click on and go to your browser, go to your Chrome, or if you are using iPhone, you go to your Spotify and search for up to down. Okay, up to down, and here is the link. You can go ahead and click on it. On the link here, you need to click on the search here. Okay, you can see the search button here. Click on it, then click type in the UFC 5. Okay, so you can go ahead and search for the app on yours. I don't know why my own is showing me an error has occurred. So I'm going to fix this later. But on the up to down here, you will be able to download it here. Okay, I'll download it and install it on your device. So that is just on how to download the UFC 5 app on your device. If I do the help because I've come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section if you want to know anything concerning any app, or you're finding anything difficult on any app. I won't hesitate to give you feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.